Hello students, today we are going to start a chapter linear equation in one variable for class 8th. So let's understand what is the meaning of this linear equation in one variable. As we know that algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constant with mathematical operation. We know that in the previous classes that the expression 3x plus 5 and 2x and only the number 2 is also the algebraic expression, and equation is nothing but it is when we write the algebraic expression is equals to some quantity, so becomes an equation. That means we put equal to sign between the two expressions, so becomes an equation. So we can say that an equation is a condition on variable, or equation is an equality also. Can you write the equation for the statement 10 added to m gives 8? Yes. How it is? M plus 10 is equals to 8. Now here this m is variable, 10 and 8 both are the constant. So here how we form the expression, addition of m and 10 and 8 is also an expression, and when both the expressions are taken together with an equal to sign, so it becomes an equation. So it is a conditional variable. That means value of m is nothing but it will equal to something that it added with 10, so we get answer is 8. Okay, here the variable m has the highest exponent is 1. So here m is only one time appear here. That means we can say the highest exponent of m is 1. So when it has any variable of the equation which has the highest exponent is 1, known as the first order of equation, or we can say it is a linear equation. So the definition of the linear equation is an equation having highest exponent is 1 called a linear equation. Okay, and now again in this example m plus 10 is equals to 8. How many variables are there used? Single variable m. So this is the linear equation, and also this is in one variable. That means only one variable. So we can say if any linear equation which has only one variable, so that equation is also known as linear equation in one variable. Now if you put the value of m here 0, so becomes 0 plus 10 is equals to 10, and in the right hand side it is given 8. So 10 and 8 both are not equal, so we can write 10 is not equal to 8. Okay, but if we put m is equals to minus 2 here, so what we will get? Minus 2 plus 10 is equals to 8, and we get the value 8 which is in the right hand side. So that means what value we are putting here in place of m is minus 2. So here we can say by putting m is equals to minus 2 we get the value is 8. So m is equals to minus 2 gives answer 8, or here this minus 2 becomes solution. That means the value which we put in the given equation and left hand side and right hand side both are equal, the both becomes equal, then we say that value of that particular variable used in the equation satisfies the equation, is the solution of linear equation. So let's start the exercise 2.1. We have to find out the solution for the given equations. 17 plus 6p is equals to 9. So what we have to write here, as in the left hand side we observe the variable present, so whatever the quantity in this side we have to transpose to the right hand side. So become 6p is equals to 9 minus 17, and 6p is equals to minus 8. When subtract 17 from 9 we get minus 8, and by dividing both the sides by 6 we get p is minus 8 upon 6. So here value of p is minus 8 upon 6. Simple problems are here it is given, as we have done like these problems in class 6 also. In the same way we have to find out the value for variable. Let us consider one more. X upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 15. Now the quantity, only the number in the left hand side is 1, and here variable also present. So this 1 we have to transpose to the right hand side. So it will become 7 upon 15 minus 1. By transposing 1 into the right hand side, we can solve it out by taking LCM and find out the value for variable x. Or another way, what we can do here, first the equation, in this equation the rational number 7 upon 15 and this variable also divided by 3, that means this is also in the form of rational number is given or fraction is given. So first step what we have to do is, whatever the denominators are there, find out the LCM of the denominators and multiply complete equation by that LCM. So here 3 and 15 are the 3 is the denominator in the left hand side and 15 is the denominator in the right hand side. So 3 and 15 we find out the LCM, that is 15. So multiply both sides by 15, we get 15 into x upon 3 plus 15 into 1 is equals to 7 upon 15 into 15. So in the right hand side 15 and 15 will cancel out. So ultimately we get here 3 5s are 15. So get 5x plus 15 is equals to 7. Now this becomes as the equation given in first problem. Okay. So by using the transposing 15 to the right hand side, we get 5x is equals to 7 minus 15, and 7 minus 15, that is equals to minus 8, and by dividing both the sides by 5, we get x is equals to minus 8 upon 5. So we get answer for x is minus 8 upon 5. So nothing is difficult. In both the ways we can find it out by transposing the number quantity in the right hand side, or if the equation is given in the fraction form or in terms of numerator and denominator. So whatever the denominator quantities in both the sides, we have to multiply the complete equation by that LCM to make the linear equation formation. Okay.